Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In my last three videos I was showing paint prep on the truck, and as you can see it's painted now. The painting took me about 2 months. I didn't get any video of painting the truck, but I did get a lot of pictures, so if you're interested and want to check them out, I'll put them at the end of the video. Please enjoy. If you like what you see, please help support the channel and like and subscribe. Thank you. So I have everything painted on the truck. It's mostly assembled. I haven't put the hood back on or the inner fenders and the front because I gotta fix a fuel delivery issue. Basically replace a fuel pump, which is going to be my next video, which will probably be out tomorrow. As you see, I started on the interior. I redid the seat, got carpet in. I'm working on the dash and the door panels as we speak. That'll be in a future video. I also did new dual exhaust, true dual exhaust, new headers, new shocks. I have the grill, I gotta put it on after we get done getting it running again. So that's it for this video. I'll try to put something up a little bit more in detail, but I need to get this in the garage and get going on the fuel pump. As I said before, that'll be the next video, hopefully out tomorrow night. Hopefully you want to check that out, like and subscribe. And I'll set up a quick slideshow of the pictures from paint.